Welcome to Proving the Concept, where we dive into the weird, wonderful, and sometimes bizarre world of science and technology. I'm Sarah Goffin, and today's episode is a special holiday edition, Sci-Lent Night. We're embracing the spirit of the season by unwrapping the science behind Christmas traditions, delving into some surprising seasonal phenomena, and finishing with the inspiring story of a pioneering female scientist whose work is tied to winter. So, grab a hot chocolate, sit by the fire, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with some fun facts that blend Christmas traditions with cutting-edge science. Did you know that vibrant colours in modern LED Christmas lights are a triumph of quantum mechanics? Different semiconductor materials emit specific wavelengths of light when electrically excited. For example, red LEDs use aluminium gallium arsenide, while blue LEDs rely on gallium nitride. It's a literal light show of chemistry at work. When it comes to snowflakes, every snowflake you see falling from the sky is a tiny marvel of physics. Snowflakes form when water vapor freezes directly into ice, skipping the liquid phase. Their six-sided symmetry emerges from the molecular structure of ice crystals. And here's a fun fact. According to researchers, the number of possible snowflake shapes is estimated to be 10 to the power of 24, more than the number of stars in the observable universe. And for those that recall the good old song Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Rudolph's glowing red nose may actually have a basis in biology. Reindeer noses are packed with dense networks of blood vessels that help regulate temperature in the freezing Arctic. A 2012 study found that these blood vessels can even give their noses a reddish hue under certain lighting. So maybe Santa's little helper isn't so far-fetched after all. Now that we've explored some festive facts, let's talk about science experiments that you can try at home this season. Starting with growing your own snow crystals. Want to recreate the magic of snow indoors? Dissolve borax powder in hot water and let the solution cool slightly. Submerge a pipe cleaner bent into a snowflake shape and overnight, watch as the crystalline patterns form. This works due to supersaturation, where the cooling liquid can't hold all of the dissolved borax, forcing it to crystallize onto the pipe cleaner. Good old slime makes a comeback for the festivities, so create glittery, festive slime using a mix of white glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, and food colouring. Add red, green, or gold glitter for a seasonal touch. This is a perfect way to engage kids in polymer science over the holidays. Now, as we approach the end of our episode, I want to share the story of a remarkable female scientist. While not strictly tied to Christmas, her work reflects the enduring pursuit of knowledge, even in the face of adversity. And winter plays an important role in her narrative. We're talking about Hypatia. Hypatia of Alexandria was a mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher. She was one of the last great thinkers of the ancient world before the fall of the Roman Empire. Hypatia lived in a time where winter solstices marked significant astronomical and cultural shifts. The solstice, the darkest night of the year, symbolized a turning point, much like Hypatia's contributions to science during a time of societal change. Hypatia's work included redefining the design of the astrolabe, a device for measuring the position of stars, and advancing the study of geometry. While much of her work is lost, her influence lived on through her students, who persevered and continued her teachings. In a way, Hypatia's story mirrors the solstice, a reminder that even in the darkest times, there is the potential for renewal and discovery. Her legacy, though marked by tragedy, continues to inspire women in STEM fields today. That's all for this special holiday episode of Proving the Concept. Whether you're stringing up quantum-powered LED lights or marveling at the symmetry of snowflakes, there's science to be found in every corner of the season. And as we reflect on Hypatia's brilliance and resilience, let's remember the light that we can bring into the world through curiosity and discovery. Thank you for joining me on this festive journey into science and technology. If you've enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review. Wishing you all a joyful holiday season and a bright start to the new year. Until next time, stay curious.